Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is the most common preventable risk factor for heart disease. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure, which is defined as systolic blood pressure (SBP) values, the top number of 130 mm Hg or more, diastolic blood pressure (DBP), the bottom number of more than 80 mm Hg, or both. Medications, including angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, are commonly used to reduce blood pressure levels. However, lifestyle changes, including dietary modifications, can help lower blood pressure levels to optimal ranges and reduce your risk of heart disease. Following a nutritious, heart-healthy diet is suggested for all people with high blood pressure, including those on blood pressure-lowering medications. A healthy diet is essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining optimal levels, and research has shown that including certain foods in your diet, especially those high in specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, reduces your blood pressure levels. In this video I am going to tell you the 5 best foods for high blood pressure. Number 1. Go green and leafy. Salt makes your body hang on to more fluid. That bumps up your blood volume and the pressure on your arteries, which make your blood pressure climb. Fill your plate with leafy greens like spinach, broccoli, kale, or collards for a potassium boost. The mineral helps flush sodium out of your body through your pee and relaxes your blood vessel walls. Recommended daily serving: 3 to 6 cups, raw leafy veggies. Number 2. Very good for you. The pigments that give blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries their rich colors also come with a benefit for your blood vessels: anthocyanin. It's a natural compound that can help artery walls become wider and more flexible to lower your blood pressure and improve your heart health. Recommended daily serving: 2 to 3 cups, frozen or fresh fruits. Number 3. Yogurt. Calcium is a key player for good blood pressure because it helps your blood vessels tighten and relax when they should. Plain, low-fat yogurt is a good way to add calcium in your diet without too much added sugar or fat. Looking for a flavor twist? Throw some berries in for some natural sweetness and even more blood pressure help. Recommended daily serving: 2 to 3 cups, yogurt or milk. Number 4. Fatty fish. Another good source of calcium is bone-in fish, like canned salmon or sardines. Oily fish like mackerel and sardines also are flush in omega-3s, the fatty acids that boost health and help your heart. Studies on fish oil supplements show they may lower your blood pressure, especially if your high blood pressure is moderate or severe. Recommended daily serving: 3 to 6 ounces, fish, lean meat, and poultry. Number 5. Sprinkling of seeds. Add unsalted seeds like pumpkin, flax, and sunflower to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to help lower your blood pressure. Seeds are a source of vital minerals like magnesium, which helps control your blood pressure and relax your blood vessels. Recommended daily serving: 1.5 tablespoons, seeds. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trusted Center.